Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Asia is the largest continent in the world and it has 4 billion people. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. There are 48 countries in Asia. Himalaya is the highest mountain in Asia. Asia has the Great Wall of China, Taj Mahal, and Bali Island. Now we will talk about Africa. It is the second largest continent and it has 54 countries. It has the longest river in the world and its name is Nile. It has Sahara Desert and it's really hot. Now we will move to North America. It is the third largest continent and it has 23 countries. It has Niagara Falls and Disneyland. Now let's move to South America. It has Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. It has Amazon River and many more attractions. Now Antarctica, and it's really cold. Now it have all kind of penguins. Now Europe. It is the third populated continent with 50 countries. It has Big Ben and Eiffel Tower. Now let's move to Australia. It is the smallest continent. It has kangaroo and koala. This was all about 7 continents. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video. Click like and hit subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.